Hello children, this is your social mom speaking. I hope you everyone safe at home. Today we are going to see our third lesson part 5. Yes, before we are going to start our session today, we are going to see a quick recap. What is our first topic? Changes around us. What is our first topic? Changes around us. Yes, we saw about Roshan and Ryan family. Yes, Roshan and Ryan father got new job. That's why they moved to a new place. So Roshan and Ryan joined a new school. The Roshan has written about his first day of experience in his diary about his school. So the changes while you're moving to the new place, shifting your home, joining a new school, we meet many changes. So at home, what are the changes? In the neighborhood, what are the changes we meet? See children, day by day, we meet any changes. For example, day become a night. A small seed become a plant or tree. The weather changes, climatic changes, everything. These all the changes around us. Like this, many changes around us day by day. What is the next topic? Changes in transportation. Dear children, do you remember about time machine? Yes, the cowboy used the time machine. It went back in time. Yeah. So help of the cowboy, we know about a transportation improvement, a transportation development in over the year. Who invented the cowboat? The scientist. What is the name of the robot? Cowboat. So I hope you everyone remember about the stage 3. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Yes, we saw the 3 stages about transportation development in over the year. Today we are going to do the concept map. Yes, so dear children, everyone take your book. You have to write your concept map now itself. Are you ready children? Shall we do now? Yes, take your concept map. Changes around us. What is that given here? In my neighborhood. What they given here? In my neighborhood. What is the next change? At school. Next, in transportation. Yes, they given here 3 changes around us. Mention any one change that might happen in the next 5 years. Yes, now you have to write any one changes that might happen in next 5 years. For example, now 2020 means after 5 years or 2025. What are all the changes? So, are you ready? Shall we write now? Listen here. Here I given my answers. You can write your own answer also for this concept map. What is the first change in my neighborhood? So, what are the changes will happen? New shop, new building, new neighbors, new shopping mall, new road, new park. Like that, you can write what are all the changes will happen in your neighborhood. So what is the next change? At school. Yes, after the 5 years, what are all the changes? Now we are studying 3rd standard. After the 5 years, you may will study 8th standard. What are all the changes? New classroom, new teachers, new friends, new subject, new environment, new place. Like that, you can write your own answers. What is the next change? In transportation. Yes, after the 5 years, what are all the changes in the transportations? More traffic, new vehicles. Yes, new model of the vehicles, narrow roads, number of vehicles usage, everything will be changed. So you can write this answer and you can write your own answer also for this. What is the next one? One way to deal with changes is. Dear children, this is your own answer. You have to write yourself. One way. These are all the changes after 5 years. So how you are going to deal with the changes? Think and write yourself. I hope you children, everyone understood and complete this. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, question time. Take the question time. Now we are going to see match the following. Column A, column B. What is the first one? New teacher. New teacher. What is the answer? Changes at school. New teacher, changes at school. First one to second one. Jet planes. Modern transport. What is the answer? Modern transport. What is third one? A small area with houses and buildings within a town or a city. What is the answer? Neighborhood. What is the answer? Neighborhood. Carts. Bullock carts. What is the answer? Old transport. Old transport. New park near your house. New park near your house. Changes in the neighborhood. Changes in the neighborhood. I hope you everyone completed this activity. What is the next one? Weather. Write whether the following are true or false. All of us respond similarly to changes around us. Everyone is respond similarly to changes around us. No. Some of them feel happy, some of them feel angry, some of them feel sad. So what is the answer? False. Changes can be good or bad. Yes, some changes may be good, some changes may be bad. So what is the answer? True. Buses, cars and taxis are different means of transport around us today. Yes, this is true. What is the next one? Dear children, now you have to take your companion 3C. Companion 3C. Work in teams, talk to people around you and list some changes that have happened in the past. Tabulate them in the given table. Also use the last row of the table to predict some changes that can happen 5 years from now. Yes. Now listen children, you can talk with an adult and you can list off the given options. But I given some answers. You can write your own answer also for this. See, they given some years. So what are all the changes will be happen? Changes in my school, neighborhood, transportation. Here they given the years. 3 years ago. 3 years ago means what is that? 3 years before. What are all the changes in my school? New building, new canteen, new books, new subject. Like that you can write your own answer. But here I am given new building. What is the next one? Changes in my neighborhood. 3 years ago, 3 years before. New shops. Changes in transportation. Metro trains. Yes, 3 years before we had a metro trains. What is the next one? Last year. Yes, last year. What are all the changes? My school, new teacher. Like that you can write. New teacher, new subject and new chart. Whatever it is, you can write. What are the changes in your school? Think and write. Like that, the neighborhood, a new building, new park, new street, new front. Like that, you can write. What is the next one? Changes in transportation. New transport, new vehicles, new bus model. Like that, you have to think and write. What is the next one? Last month. What are all the changes happened? Change in think room. Yes, a change in think room. The place has changed. Like that you can write. In your neighborhood, new roads, new street. Like that you have to write. What is the next one? Changes in transportation. New car, new bus, Like that you can write. What is the next one? This week. This week. Maybe you are going to organize any other events means, any other functions means you can write new events, new celebrations. This week maybe new neighbors, new friends, new game with your friends. Like that you can write. What is the next one? New train routes. Yes, like this you can write. What is the next one? 5 years later. 5 years later means 5 years after. So 5 years after, already I told you, now we are studying 3rd standard. After the 5 years, maybe new, what are the changes? New subject, new teachers, new friends. Like that you can write. A neighborhood, new building, new neighbors, new friends, new shop. In the transportation, new vehicles. Yes, after the 5 years, maybe many different models of the transport. New model of the transports. So new vehicles. Like that you have to write this activity. Here I given some activity, some examples of answer I given here. You can write your own answer also for this activity. I hope you children, everyone understood. Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Choose any one of the changes that you have listed and answer the following questions. Yes. What happened? Now you have to choose any one changes from the table. Why do you think this happened? For example, new teachers and new shops. Like that I have to choose any one change. Why do you think this happened? For example, I take a new subject and new teachers. Why do you think this happened? Because I moved to the I'm studying now 3rd standard, so next year I'm going to 4th standard. So new subject, new teachers. Like that you have to write. Was it a good or a bad change? Yes, you have to think about yourself. So while you are moving to the next class or you are moving to a new house. Like that you have to take any reason means, is it good or bad change? You have to write your own answer. Listen children, from the question 1 you have to take any one change. That change, why do you think this happened? You have to write the reason. And B question, is it good or bad change? That you have to write. Do you understand? What is the next one? How did people deal with these changes? Yes. How did people deal with these changes? Listen, at 5 years before, 3 years before, compare after the 5 years. So day by day we meet many changes. Why? Because of the technology development, technology improvement, we meet many changes and people ready to accept the changes also. So you have to write, how did people deal with these changes? You have to write your own answer, and after that it is very important, draw a picture of a vehicle that you might use in future. Yes. So already I discussed about after the 5 years. You think about your future. Maybe while you are studying college, while you are studying 12th standard, you are going to imagine yourself, you are going to draw a vehicle for your future usage. For example, I am going to draw a car. The car has more facility, it's going to fly. Like that you have to draw the picture and you have to color that. You can do your decoration for that vehicles, any vehicles, that is your wish. Maybe you can draw the bicycle also. Bicycle maybe fly. Otherwise some vehicles are using taking the less diesel. Like that you can draw. This is your imagination. You have to draw yourself. What is the next one? See, mention its features and list its uses. So what is that? You draw the picture, no. What are all the uses? What are all the benefits? So that you have to write. For example, I draw a car. It can fly means what are all the uses? How people can use it? What are all the benefit to the peoples? So like that you have to write. You can write your own points here. I hope you children everyone understood. See, again I am explaining how did people deal with these changes. So the changes, we meet many changes day by day. How did people deal with the changes? You have to think and write. your own answer this. The next, you have to draw a picture, draw a vehicle it might use in the future. This is your creativity. What is the next one? You have to write a list its uses. What are all the uses? How the vehicles uses of benefits of the people. That you have to think and write your own answer. I hope you children, everyone understood and enjoyed the session. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.